Introducing a high-performance power pack, able to jump 12-volt vehicles with gasoline engines up to 9 liters and diesel engines up to 7 liters. I'm Elle Rottinghaus, and this Zips 360 feature of the day covers the Lokithor J402, a lithium polymer battery that delivers 3,000 peak amps and weighs less than 4 pounds. Fully charged, this jump pack can start 60 engines before needing to recharge. With an incredibly fast 100-watt bi-directional charging, the battery is operational after 5 minutes and fully charged in less than an hour. The Lokithor J402 has a 3-inch digital indicator panel that provides a convenient user interface. Rated IP65 for dust and water resistance, its rugged and durable design can hold up against harsh conditions thanks to the shockproof shell. Don't forget there's a handy USB port for charging mobile devices and a 300-lumen LED flashlight with 3 modes: continuous, strobe, and SOS. This flashlight is conveniently designed compared to other jump packs because the light shines in the same direction that you are attaching the jumper cables. The BMS power management system provides protection against overheating, short circuit, reverse polarity, overcharge, and clamp detachment, to name a few. When you purchase the Lokithor J402, you receive a 1-year warranty for the jump starter, a clamp set, 12-volt adapter, USB-C and USB-A cables, as well as a user manual. Its dimensions are about 9.5 inches long by 4 inches wide by 2 inches high. With this jump pack in your vehicle, you'll never feel stranded again with a dead battery or cell phone. Shop battery service on zips.com today.